So you're pregnant. You're running to the toilet to throw up every few hours and you've got a million dietary questions, but don't know who to ask as you're not quite ready to announce your pregnancy yet? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a prenatal dietitian. In this video, we're going to chat about how your dietary requirements change throughout your third month of pregnancy. Stay tuned. The size of a plum, your baby is now developing rapidly. In addition to extreme fatigue, food cravings and morning sickness, you'll probably be experiencing sore boobs and ligament pain. But please be strong, the worst is nearly over, I promise you. At this point, what you need more than anything is to talk to somebody who knows how you feel. A caring ear can be soup for the soul when you're tired, nauseous and sore. You may feel like you're the first woman to ever feel this way, but you're not. So pick up the phone and ask for some help. One of the most common cravings for women during pregnancy is salty food. This is caused by fluid retention and nausea. If you're craving salt, try to choose salty foods that aren't high in fat. Instead of potato chips or takeaway food, try a yeast spread on toast, dry biscuits, salted nuts or tinned tomato soup. Now you know why tomato soup is such a common craving for women. Remember that eating small regular meals will help to minimise nausea and optimise your energy levels. Try to have a healthy meal or snack every 3 to 4 hours, but keep your portion sizes small. If you really can't stomach food and you've tried all of the tips discussed above, try having a drink instead of a meal. Freshly squeezed juice, especially with some ginger in it, works like a charm for morning sickness. It will give you the glucose that you need to keep your energy levels up and is nutritious and refreshing. Continue with your pregnancy multivitamin, omega-3 supplements if you're needing them, and additional folate supplements if you need those. During pregnancy, your body produces hormones to loosen ligaments to prepare your body for labour. This can sometimes cause ligament pain, and if you're an active exerciser, you need to be more careful of sprains and dislocations. Make sure that you're wearing sturdy shoes, thick exercise socks, preferably covering your ankles, and a good sports bra. You may also need to strap your knees or elbows if you're exercising intensively, especially if you've had previous injuries. It may also be a good idea to swap hiking through the forest with unstable ground to hiking along beaches. Although this is usually the hardest time of your pregnancy to exercise, don't give up. Remind yourself of how important it is. I often tell clients that the most difficult part of exercise is getting out the door. If this sounds like you, tell yourself that you're just going to the gym, pool, beach, club, and then if you still don't feel like it, then you can always turn around and come home again. But 9 times out of 10, once you're dressed and out the door, you'll want to keep going. Other tricks include stopping to exercise on your way home rather than trying to motivate yourself to go out again, and incorporating exercise into your day. For example, if the only way to get home is to walk, then walk you will. Get your partner to drop you off at work each morning so that you have to walk at least part of the way home. Now, to help get you started, I've put together a 7-day pregnancy meal plan. Registering for this will also give you access to my weekly coaching emails. To download it now, all you have to do is click the link below. I look forward to chatting to you again soon. Bye for now. I've had a plum for ages. We'll probably experience... Oh, sorry. Stopped it up already. think my eyes are going crazy from looking at the lights. I'm getting splotches. Sorry, I did that a bit too fast. I still keep thinking of those raspberries.